If your LG TV keeps dropping Wi-Fi or you're seeing that annoying Wi-Fi is turned off message and you've already tried everything, like power cycling, restarting the router, or using the quick menu trick, don't worry, I've got you. If all those basics failed, the problem isn't your network, it's inside your TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi module step by step. Let's get started. First, unplug your LG TV and lay it face down on a soft, flat surface. A towel or blanket on a table works perfectly to protect the screen. Now let's remove the back panel. Grab your screwdriver and unscrew all the screws at the bottom first. Then, move to the sides. 2 screws on each side. After that, remove the 3 screws along the top edge. Finally, take out the last 2 screws near the top center. Once everything's loose, carefully lift the back cover off. Now, with the cover off, look for the Wi-Fi module. It's a small circuit board usually right in the middle or closer to the bottom of your TV. This is the piece that controls your wireless connection, and it's usually the culprit behind that Wi-Fi turned off problem. Let's fix it. Unscrew the Wi-Fi module. There's usually just one screw holding it in place, typically on the right side. Lift it gently, and you'll see the socket connection underneath. Here's where things get interesting. Sometimes dust, debris, or a little bit of oxidation on these tiny pins causes the whole Wi-Fi system to fail. To clean it, grab a lens wipe or any alcohol-based cleaner and use a soft brush. A small paintbrush works great. Gently clean the socket and the pins on the module. Take your time, no need to rush. If this doesn't work, you might need to replace the Wi-Fi module itself, but the process is exactly the same as I'm showing you now. Once everything's clean and dry, plug the Wi-Fi module back into its socket. Screw it back in. Reattach the back panel and don't forget to put all those screws back where they came from. Now plug your TV back in and power it on. There you go. Your Wi-Fi should now work perfectly. No more dropouts, no more Wi-Fi is turned off messages. That's it. A quick, practical fix for a problem that feels way more complicated than it really is. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. I've got more helpful tech fixes coming soon.